Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Welcome to Makeup 101, a series by Femina where we show you easy makeup tutorials and celeb decodes. Prep face with a lightweight moisturizer. Now dot your face with a medium coverage foundation. Dab your beauty blender to pack in the pigment, but avoid swiping motions as it wipes off the formula. Now apply concealer below your eyes for a brightening effect. Complete your concealer routine by dabbing some around your mouth area. Apply a soft pink shade to your crease and buff it out. Fill in the lid area with a warm orange shade. Now blend well to blur harsh lines. Apply a subtle glittery gold hue to your lid area. Dot silver pigment on your lid and blend with your finger. Use a black eyeliner to tightline your upper lids. Color your lower waterline with a brown shade. Open up your eyes with heaps of mascara. Now fill in your brows with a dark brown shade from your palette. Apply a soft pink blush on your cheeks. Now contour your cheekbones and the sides of your nose for a sharp and defined look. Blend, blend, blend. And then blind them with that highlighter, girl. Moisturize your lips with a balm. Finish the look with a nude pink color. You're all set. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions, drop in the comment section below.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.